The reality is the electricity market is extremely volatile. Prices can oscillate between minus $1,000 up to $13,000 pretty much within 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the relativities of supply and demand in the market.
EDMI has played a real pivotal role in the energy sector because when we started working in this sector, there weren't any really defined standards around a lot of the metering that was required for the electricity grid. EDMI was a pioneer in this industry, working out how do we measure things, how do we bring that back to a central location and then process that information and data. While our involvement is in a narrow part of that, which is in the metering field, I believe that we've made great strides and had a major impact on the sector.
We've worked with EDMI for over 15 years across Australia and New Zealand as we've grown our business in smart metering. Currently, we have over 2.6 million EDMI smart meters in both electricity and gas, and this provides Bluecurrent a really important technology base to continue to innovate, to meet our business needs, but really importantly, to deliver the services that we know our customers demand. Smart metering technology is really about data. What I often say is the meter on the wall is just that. It's the data and insights that we provide through smart metering to our retailers, to the networks and distributors, and ultimately to end consumers that really make the difference in a very complex energy landscape. You often hear people talking about three factors: energy security, affordability, and environmental sustainability. And when we think about the role that smart metering and the data it provides, it's really critical to driving outcomes in all of those three factors.
With smart metering solutions, we gain control and visibility over the discretionary loads, such as hot water systems, pool pumps, space heating, EVs, batteries, and solar.
NEOS is EDMI's next generation metering solution, and it includes edge intelligence capability in every meter that's deployed. And when you combine that edge intelligence capability with high-speed cellular communications and state-of-the-art SaaS technologies, there's no ends to the amount of services that can be deployed on a metering fleet.
It measures more accurately, and it measures at a higher frequency to enable more different types of demand response to be engaged. On the grid, we've got enough processing power to be able to make those decisions locally there, but we can also shift it back, combine it with other data, and then the architecture of our Storm platform in the back end enables us then to quickly assess all of those different inputs and make decisions and get that information back to the edge to then control whatever we need to in that demand response situation.
With this technology, we can move loads away from peaks and move them towards the low demand periods. That basically reduces a lot of burden on the grid, where basically the industry don't have to invest into building spare capacity to manage those peaks.
Our capability and our technology and service toolset, we have what is required to lower the cost of energy for end consumers and customers. We have what's required to meet the needs of the distributors, to ensure reliability of the grid and security of supply.
We've been smart from the start, and we've always measured more than our competitors. We've really focused on the user experience, and that's been driven through things like use of cellular and cloud to make the experience easy and seamless. And I think the third one is we've had a great customer intimacy, and we've really worked closely in collaborative partnerships with our customers to deliver them great outcomes.
It's going to enable you to actually see in real time what is going on in your home so that you can actually make better decisions. And later on, it's going to enable us as consumers to actually automate a lot of the things that we need to in order to actually save money. It's really about us working closely together to co-create value and actually meet those challenges that the utility sector is facing. Working together to co-create value is key. Yeah.